Hey everyone, today, we're diving into a topic that many advertisers face, Facebook ads payment issues. Let's get started. First, let's talk about some common payment issues you might encounter. These can include 1. Declined payments, 2. Billing errors, 3. Account restrictions, 4. Expired payment methods. Understanding these issues is the first step to resolving them. Now, let's go through the solutions one by one. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your credit card or payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Step 2. Review your billing information. Ensure that your address and other details match what your bank has on file. Step 3. Look for any notifications in your Facebook Ads Manager. Sometimes, Facebook will provide specific reasons for payment issues. Step 4. If you see an account restriction, follow the prompts to resolve it. This may involve verifying your identity or providing additional information. To prevent these issues in the future, consider regularly updating your payment information, keeping an eye on your account notifications, setting reminders for when your payment methods expire. And that wraps up our guide on how to solve Facebook ads payment issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be struggling with the same problem. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising. See you in the next video.